isang part ko. Natalian ko na siya. Tsaka nabuhisan.
Adverb. Adjective.
Lagyan na natin siya nito, guys.
Verb is flying.
Ayoko sa iba. Sa'yo lang. Ayoko
High school
sa...
subject. Are you reading it? Oh my God! Can we read that? You should read that. Can we read together? Why? Do you know what's the longest word of dictionary? Oh no. Okay.
Nandito na daw siya kasi.
Hey, Miley.
May kasama daw akong
Ito.
Hello! So, hello guys. Subscribe na kayo dyan. Joke lang. Hindi na ako magsasalita. Minum ka.
So your mom's
Kasi wala na daw. Ano daw, binaril-baril mo daw yung anak ko.
Hey girl. How many your siblings? How many?
Ano, patay na yung anak natin doon.
One brother,
Ilang taon ko na daw kayo?
Oh my God.
You're the youngest one?
The name of your sister
Subscribe
is
kayo
Ada?
sa amin.
What's the...
And you're
Subscribe daw kayo guys.
Yeah.
Ayoko sa iba. Sa'yo lang. Ayoko sa iba.
About what's your name?
Let's go guys. Hindi na kami natatakot. Hindi na lang daw dito.
Madeline.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Madeline.